OpenAI's latest version of ChatGPT, called GPT-4o, which aims to sound more human-like with its realistic voice and quicker verbal response time. It highlights the new version's capabilities, including allowing users to interrupt it while it speaks, simulating emotions through its voice, real-time language translation, and improved video and image understanding. The potential applications of GPT-4o in education, such as personalized tutoring, role-playing exercises, and supplementing traditional learning methods. While educators acknowledge the benefits, they also express caution regarding the risks of adopting AI models too early, emphasizing the need to prioritize student and faculty privacy and safety. The increasing interest in generative AI since ChatGPT's launch and the varying reactions from the education community, ranging from resistance to cautious experimentation. GPT-4o is a potential game-changer in education, while highlighting the importance of evaluating its limitations and potential pitfalls.